Hello guys, my name is Ahmad Musyafa Andika. Today I will present about Japanese tea ceremony. The Japanese tea ceremony, chado or sado, literally the way of the tea or chanoyu, is a tradition rich in Japanese history. It is a ceremonial way of preparing and drinking green tea, usually in a traditional tea room with tatami flooring. More than just serving and receiving tea, one of the main purposes of the tea ceremony is for guests to enjoy the hospitality in an atmosphere different from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Nowadays, this tea ceremony is practiced as a hobby, and there are places where foreign tourists can also experience it. Tea ceremonies with various level of formality and authenticity are offered by organizations throughout Japan, including some traditional garden, cultural center, and hotels. Kyoto and Uji are among the best destinations in the country to enjoy Japanese tea culture. Next, we go discuss about Zen Buddhism. This tea ceremony considered one of the three pure classical arts of Japan, along with the listen incense appreciation ceremony kodo and art of flower arrangement kado. Dating back to the Zen Buddhism era in 815 in that year, when the monk Eichu returned from China, where tea had been consumed for thousands of years. He personally prepared sencha for Emperor Saga. Impressed, the emperor ordered the cultivation of tea plantation in the Kinki region of western Japan, and people of noble status began to favor tea, although it was only in the 12th century that tea became more widely known. Next, history Japanese tea ceremony. Entering the Muromachi period, 1333 to 1573, this tea beverage became popular among people of all social class. Among wealthy members of society, tea parties become popular, when participation would display their beautiful tea bowls and demonstrate their knowledge of tea. Around the same time, a more refined version of the tea ceremony developed, characterized by simplicity of inspired by Zen and a greater emphasis on spirituality. From this gathering, the tea ceremony originates. The father of the modern way of drinking tea was Sen no Ryukyu, 1522 to 1591, who advocate a simple and rustic simplicity most current tradition of tea ceremony, including Omote Senke and Urasenke, developed from his teaching. Next, religion ritual of the monks. Green tea is commonly used for religious celebration in monasteries, and drinking tea later become associated with the upper class in Japanese society. The tea parties become trendy and it was widely accepted that the best green tea was cultivated in Kyoto from seed brought by older monks to Japan from China. The tea ceremony, and by the 16th century, tea drinking was practiced by all classes in Japanese society. Senno-rikyu can be said to be most famous figure in the history of Japanese tea, and had the philosophy that every meeting should be appreciated because it can never be repeated. Senno-rikyu identified the principles that must be included in the tea ceremony: harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. Next, we're gonna discuss about tea ceremony tradition. Today's tea master adhere to the same rules, even though there are dozens or of different tea ceremony tradition, each with subtle difference. A traditional tea ceremony is held in a special tea room called chachitsu, with a floor covered by tatami mats and a hearth. The material used for the building and its design are deliberately made in a rustic style. A tea master uses several specialist utensils, including a tea bowl called chawan, a spoon for powdered tea made of bamboo, and a tea whisk called chasen, also carved from bamboo. Next, the important meaning of etiquette. Etiquette is an important part of the entire experience, and the tea master will always wear a kimono for this ceremony. Guests attending a formal event should also wear a kimono, although the ritual conducted to demonstrate the procedure to visitors does not require formal clothing. However, anyone who has opportunity to enjoy the tea ceremony should strive to follow the proper movement to feel the sensation, even though small mistakes are always overlooked. While the host prepares the two lighter bowls of tea for the guest will be served sweet cakes as part of tea ceremony. Guests who come are expected to comment on the beauty of the atmosphere and the craftsmanship of the utensil used in the ceremony. Aesthetically pleasing snacks made from seasonal ingredients are often served as part of the tea ceremony. Next, the last, when is it held? Japanese tea ceremony are often held when guests are invited to someone tea room to celebrate seasonal change and special event. Japanese tea ceremonies are held to celebrate the blooming of cherry blossom, autumn, the tea harvest season, New Year's, and other events. It is important to remember that just tea ceremonies are not held every day because most People drink brewed leaf tea, not ground matcha tea. Most Japanese people also do not have a special room for tea ceremonies in their homes. That is why tea ceremonies are primarily practiced by tea ceremonies enthusiasts and member of the ceremonies group in the school. So that's all about Japanese tea ceremony. Thank you.